Hi viewers, welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I welcome you to this edition of Word and Expression of the Week. We shouldn't get into other people's businesses. It's their prerogative to do whatever suits them with their time and money. Though it doesn't hurt to chip in a word or two if one thinks a close friend is going out of line. The phrase, "Na you sabi," in Nigerian Pidgin English means, it's your business, deal with it. For example, I go tell your wife say I see you with another woman. Na you sabi, tell her now. This expression can also be used with all other subject pronouns, like one can also say, na she sabi, na den sabi, na we sabi. I'll have more phrases for you in our next edition of Word and Expression. For now, I'll say take care and God bless. Bye.